What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. It's cold as hell. Y'all already know how this thing finna go. We got the SCR over here in the cut. He is unfortunately, from the title, as you guys can see, not ready to go. Gotta jack him up, pull the turbo kit off real quick. We saw a crack in the turbo kit at the bottom. So we gotta pull it apart. And I gotta take that to get rewelded. The other day, I ran a 01 Bolted Tune 01 Camaro. And we were neck and neck, and I was like, something ain't right. The car feels weird. Come to find out, we were only seeing about 9 pounds at that time, and it's well under the amount that we usually see. Went up under the car looking for leaks, found the turbo manifold cracked, and that's the first thing we're gonna address. Also, as I was driving back home the other day, I think I got an injector that's sticking. It's not rust, it's fully, looks like oil, but it's actually gas. I think one is stuck on 10.0 to 0.5 AFR. And the car's sputtering like crazy. I turned the car off, let it sit for about 20 minutes, and then came back to move it again, and then it blew a bunch of fuel out of the exhaust. So, pretty sure that's an injector sticking or something of the sort. But first, before we get into this, I got a haircut appointment. So I'm gonna go run and do that first. Get my hair cut up nice, and then I'm gonna come back and I guess check the scrap and start fixing it. I'm gonna depart at least. It's currently 30 degrees in Florida right now. It's cold as hell. What we gotta do, we gotta do. Especially to stay consistent. Gotta do what we gotta do. I mean, we can't even get a cold start today because I only want to warm the car up, so sorry, not sorry. But yeah, I don't know what time it is. That being the case, short brief here. Let's go get a haircut in the 6-speed max. Alright, got my jack and jack stands. Let's go ahead and get this thing jacked up real quick. We didn't get a haircut, by the way. My brother's not at the shop, so I'll get one later. Shit low, so got to jack out one side and then jack out the middle. Jack up the whole car from the middle still unless I get up on a freaking wooden side, which is crazy because I thought this jack was going to be low enough. It's low enough, but it's not long enough. How many of y'all out here working on y'all cars in 30 degrees in Florida? Not the guys that live in this shit. Y'all don't count. The guys out in Florida, how many of y'all outside in the open working on y'all shit in this weather right now? It was 25 this morning. Alright, so first things first, I need to get the turbo kit off. Turbo needs to come off the manifold. I'm going to see if I can leave the turbo in the engine bay because it's literally just the hot side I got to get off. So I'm going to see if I can leave the turbo on the car, well, in the engine bay, and just take the hot side off without having to do anything else. I should be able to. Alright, under the car. Right. Ooh, wee, this thing is cracked bad. Damn. Look at my merge. I don't know how good y'all can see, but it is cracked bad. Anyways, let's just try to get this shit off real quick. I'm going to be sitting here trying to think and wonder and shit. Woo! It's freezing. Come on, bro. What the fuck is up with this wind? I'm about to take my ass in the house. This shit pissing me off. What the heck? There's no way this shit gonna go like this now when I come out here. Bro, this wind is really getting on my nerves right now. There's no way the wind is chilling me to the bone like this. Alright, y'all, so I had to stop and start back on this thing about 50,000 times because of how cold it is out here. My hands literally kept getting to the point where I couldn't feel anything, and it felt like bricks stinging and burning. So I had to keep stopping and then going inside for a little bit, let them warm up, come back out. But with that being the case, I just stopped trying to record, and it was just too much to try to keep on putting the camera up. Wind blowing like crazy, I'm freezing. So I'm just taking the thing off and finishing up myself. But yeah, if you guys can see that good, but it's cracked all along this weld here. Turn around, and it's cracked right there, and it's got a hole opened up right here. So it's cracked all the way through, front and back of the merge. When I raced the ZR1, it was neck and neck like I was saying earlier, and I was like, I felt something weird in the car. We kept trying to change the tune and mess with the tune, and nothing was changing. Come to find out, we was only seeing 9 PSI, and now we see why. I'm gonna leave this in the car as a matter of fact. So yeah, the next thing I have to do is take the intake manifold off to see why there's fuel everywhere. This is literally fuel that just dropped out of the exhaust from when I took it off just now. Dumping fuel. Look at the top of the car. I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's fuel all over the car. I started the car up and fuel just saying out of the exhaust. But yeah, it's freaking freezing cold out here, and I really think I'm gonna make this a 2-part video, so this might be the end of this part. See ya.